Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I just have a quick unboxing from Resin Mold Box. It is the February box called Hearts in Motion. I do have a link down in the description below and you'll be able to get a discount if you want to get a mold or a subscription box from Resin Mold Box. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Our first one is the Twin Heart Ribbed Storage Tray. And it takes 2.8 ounces. So let's find that one. Right on top. Oh, I like that. I like how it's divided. And what did it take? Took 2.8 ounces. So that's a good little tray. I like that it's split. You can do dual colors, I guess. That'll be cute. And the next one is Love Floral Garland Coaster. And let's see if we can find that in here. Oh, that's cute. I like the design on it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you could see that. That'd be cute to do. Two-tone. That one holds 1.1 ounce. It's too bad they don't give you more than one coaster, though. That's going to take a while to have to make 4 coasters. All right, up next is the Majestic Galloping Horse Wall Plaque, because it's the year of the horse. And I like the detail. This one would be really good for painting in the mica, I think. And let's see, it holds 6.8 ounces. I like it. The next one is the Spiral Ribbed Storage Jar with Lid. That one's cute. It's little. I like the design on it. What does that one hold? That one holds 5.2 ounces, really? That seems like a lot. It doesn't look like it would hold that much. We'll have to find out. All right, up next is the it's a Diamond Weave Geometric Pot. Oh, I like the pattern. This would look really good, just solid white. I think that would work good for the pattern. Yeah, I like that one. Oh, we'll make that one very soon. And what does that hold? Oh, that's a big one, 10.5 ounces. Yeah, that holds a lot. All right, up next is the Hollowed Butterfly Decorative Box. That's cute. I like that. Wait, the picture shows it has flowers sticking out of it. Where's the hole for the flowers to stick out of? That one holds 2.9 ounces. I don't see a hole anywhere. Am I not seeing it? Maybe it'll make more sense when I make it. Okay, up next is the Ocean Spiral Shell Resin Tray Mold. That's really cute. It's just a big seashell. I like it. That'd be really good in like a pearlescent color. And that holds 5.7 ounces. I like that. And last but not least, our bonus mold is the adorable Barnaby Yak Planter. That is so cute. I like him. And what does he hold? He holds 5 ounces. Cute, cute. And then we have some bonus little like micro beads to put in something. So this is a good little box. If you haven't tried Resin Mold Box yet, you really need to try it. I really enjoy the surprise every month of the new molds. And you really get a lot for what you pay for. So click my link in the description and get a discount. Thanks for watching.